Hello there, I am going to put the screen protector on my Osmo Action camera, my DJI OSMO Action. Now, I've already done the back one and it seemed to work quite well, although I haven't actually set this camera up yet because I've only just got it, but I've preemptive and I got myself some screen protectors, the glass ones, the tempered glass screen protector, and it seems to be okay. I've put the language in and stuff, and now I've got to do the QR code thing, and it seems pretty responsive on the old thing. I was quite happy about that, but I've still got to do the front one. Now, this kit comes with 3 screen protectors, one for the back, one for the front screen, and one for the lens. I won't be putting one on the lens because I think that's a bit silly, shooting through another piece of glass that's actually not going to do anything apart from cause a little bit more aberration or whatever. So I'm not going to put that one on. I'm just going to do this one. So we're going to do this one now. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove that bit, because we don't need that, do we? And then we get a little, in this kit, you get your wipes. So we get a nice little wet wipe here, to do your baby's bottom. I don't think you do much for a baby's bottom with that, because it's tiny. So what we do is we wipe that over. Make sure it's nice and clean and shiny. Okay. We put that to one side. We shouldn't need it again. And then we use the dry one, because it says 1 and 2, and the 1 is the wet, and the 2 is the dry, and it says wet and dry on there as well. Then we dry that off nicely like so. Okay, now what you might be doing here, you might be creating a little bit of static on there as you do it. So you've got to be a little bit careful. So, what was that? Something went beep, beep, beep. So what we'll do is we'll bring this down here so you can see a little bit better. There we go. Say hi, hi. Now, it's a smaller screen protector to go on there, and in this kit we have a variety of them. We have 3 of each, but we're only going to put 1 of each on, apart from obviously the lens protector, because I think that's a silly idea. No, that's a front screen protector, so that's the one I want. So you come on boy, good boy. Right, so it says on there front. Oh, no, I dropped it. Create a bit of static while I. So front. So that's clearly it goes to the outside, and the other side goes to the actual screen itself. So what we'll do is you'll visualise sort of like dry fit and make sure you got the right way around. It doesn't go that way, it wouldn't fit. It goes that way. So perpendicular. So basically now all I've got to do is make sure that's perfectly clean, and to do that we can use a one of these sticky labels off here. It's like they call it a dust absorber, but really it's just a sticky label, and what that does is it removes the static collected dust off the screen, because you need to say all that rubbing creates static, just like so. So now we've done that, we'll do the same on this as well, so we don't transfer any dust onto the actual thing, onto the screen. And now we need to remove the lens. Now I like to have a bit of side light going on so you can see what's going on. So if there's any extra little dust spots jumped on there, which they do, you can see them, With all these synthetic materials we have, not pathetic materials, synthetic materials. Okay, now, one thing I nearly forgot is we have some extra little bits of stickers here. These are for positioning. These allow you to guide the actual thing onto the screen protector onto the screen, and gives you something to hold on to. Otherwise, you're likely to, well, you might cause a bit of an issue because you can't move it about. So what I'm going to do is make sure, double check again that there's no dust on there. You've got to keep doing it, keep checking and double checking there's no little specks of dust on there. And then we remove that quickly, and without hanging about, we apply it using the stickers to help guide you. And then before you press it down fully, just make sure you're positioning it with your finger, and it should go down quite nicely, and that has. Perfect. How easy was that? So there we go. Stickers everywhere, go away. So that is on there nicely. I can't see any trapped dust in there. Not a dicky bird. That's good. Excellent. Because otherwise you'll see what like little watermarks where the actual screen's gone on. And on the back, as you can see here, it's already on there nicely. So I've got to set this camera up, and I'm quite happy that looks. So yeah, that should be good. That'll be good. Anyway, thanks for watching my little video on how to apply the screen protectors to your DJI OSMO Action. Great little camera too. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you've been kind, click like and subscribe, and maybe that little bell icon, because then you get a warm fuzzy feeling in your pocket, and that'll be me uploading another video. And I know you'd be happy about that. Anyway, thank you for watching.